Noe from Magnolia has an irrigation irritation.
Ew, maybe there's a salve for that.
I've got a rash.
She wonders, Tom, whether she needs a foundation repair guy, a landscaping guy, or whatever to deal with
Maybe
this.
all of the above.
Wait till you see what she's dealing with. Check that out.
Yeah, that's a problem.
This reminds me, I think of Pittsburgh when I see this. You know why?
Now, if that was during Harvey, she lucked out. But besides that, no, it's not good.
You know what?
Pittsburgh.
Yeah, because there's three rivers coming together here.
Stop.
Anyway, Noe writes, water drainage around my house after Harvey's becoming a real problem. Did you see the picture?
Yeah.
Anyway, the water from the street, the driveway, the front yard, the roof, the runoff from the roof is all merging on one side of the house and is starting to wash away soil and flooding the area. And I don't have signs of foundation problems yet, she says, but you can see where this could become a problem in the future. So Noe wonders, who does she call first on this?
A licensed irrigator. That's an irrigation system problem. And as far as a drainage system goes, you don't want to, it's not a sprinkler system issue. But if you don't do something about that, it could cause a foundation problem. But the bottom line is you should never have water sit against a house for any length of time. It's just standard good procedure because you might just get flooring buckling up and you can get all little kinds of stuff, not necessarily a whole foundation issue. But Family Landscapes is who I would call and have them come out and look to see if they can re-landscape. But that's a landscaping problem.
But y'all maybe don't know is we get a bunch of these questions recently, and a lot of them are like, ever since Harvey is what they're saying in there, we're having these problems. Tom, did the flooding cause some kind of settlement or something in the soil, or has the water table been changed? Or I don't know. Why are we getting them now?
One thing is people are more concerned now. They didn't notice it before. They were too busy watching the Flintstones. Your choice. Okay.
My favorite Martian.
But, or Mother the Car. Anyway, I don't know why we're going there.
Mr. Ed.
But also, everybody's rebuilding and redoing things, and it's making water move in neighborhoods a little bit differently, too. So you've got to be really careful. You'll see, for instance, some people are raising their homes. They're bringing in more dirt on their property. So now all of a sudden, the water's going other places because it's not on their property anymore. So we're changing a little bit at a time the whole landscape of Houston, as well as bayous and stuff. Hopefully our local governments are trying to do some different things too. We'll see on that. But
Not cool.
I think it's just going to see this. If you don't address a problem, the other people who are addressing them are going to make yours worse.
We want to make things better. That's why we ask you to send your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here and these videos like we did over here, or you can see even more when you subscribe to our channel.